You searched for how to buy shares of H&R Block Inc., a tax preparation and financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker HRB. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify the account, typically by uploading an identity document, and add funds to your balance before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HRB to find H&R Block. Select the matching NASDAQ listing to ensure you have the correct stock page open. On the stock page, review the basic company information and the price chart to confirm this is the right listing. Make sure the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker HRB before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the same steps.